Is your gas gauge giving you trouble? A common issue in internal combustion engine vehicles, especially older models, a non-functional gas gauge typically stems from a few key culprits. The number one suspect is often a faulty fuel sending unit. This component, located inside the fuel tank, uses a float arm and variable resistor to relay fuel level information. Wiring problems and blown fuses are also frequent offenders. A short or break in the wiring, or a blown fuse disrupts the voltage supply to the gauge. For newer vehicles, especially hybrids, issues can arise from software glitches in the digital instrument cluster or even voltage dips in the car's battery system. Start your diagnosis by inspecting the fuel sending unit connections, checking fuses, and using a multimeter to test for voltage at the sender. Remember to disconnect the battery before any work. For simple wiring issues, clean the contacts and repair any breaks. For a faulty fuel sending unit, replacement is often necessary. These units typically cost $100 to $300, with DIY videos available to guide you. If you suspect sediment buildup, consider cleaning the fuel tank. For analog gauges, bending the float arm can recalibrate the reading. Digital clusters in modern cars, post-2015, may require an OBD tool to reset parameters. If you drive a Toyota Camry Hybrid, 2018-2022, reprogramming the cluster with an OBD2 tool may fix the issue. Remember, ignoring inaccurate gas gauge readings can lead to engine damage if you run out of gas. Early intervention is crucial for both safety and your vehicle's health. Also, be mindful of the growing usage of predictive maintenance apps that use AI to alert you of inaccuracies via telematics data.